So here we have our ingredients: kiwi, chia, rice drink, Brazil nuts, dark chocolate, raisins and pistachios. Crush the nuts and mix them together. Add some chia seeds, kiwi, rice milk and a nibblet of coconut oil. Add some cinnamon. Now blend it all together in a smooth paste. I used my handy smash mixer. Time to taste. Wow. Let's keep on going. This is promising. Rinse your raisins, then add them to the mixture together with finely chopped chocolate. After some well blending, this is what the mixture should look like, smooth and soft. Time for tasting. Wow, this has so many flavors and levels. How do they call that? So many undertones. It's good. Now transfer your beautiful creation into a container and form it like this. Close it up and put it into a freezer for 6 to 8 hours. Take it out and sprinkle 1-2 slices. Serve it with cherry compote and some powdered sugar. There we go. Coconut on top. Beautiful. Official tasting. Oh, yeah. It tastes exactly and so much better as I thought it would. Oh yeah. It's nutty, it's rich, you can taste everything. You just want to get in there. You have to make it. You have to try. So good. It tastes like nothing I've ever tasted before. Seriously. It's so unique and rich. It's incredible. Kiwi Pistachio Chocolate Cake in the fridge for tomorrow. There it is. Next day, sun comes up. You decide you want your breakfast to look like this. So you bake some banana pancakes. Kiwi raisin pistachio chocolate wonder in the middle and there we go, yes. Maple syrup. Isn't this pure magic? You tell me. Absolutely beautiful.